There is Salesforce skill that still pays close to $164K a year, and almost nobody on this channel has talked about it. It used to be called Vlocity. Today it is called OmniStudio, and it just got an AI upgrade that almost nobody is talking about either. In this video, I will show you 3 things: what OmniStudio actually is and why the name Vlocity still shows up everywhere, the brand new AI feature that just landed inside it, and the real certification path, including the parts that make this one different from most Salesforce certifications. If you want more videos on the Salesforce skills nobody else is covering, subscribe before we start. Why this matters: this is one of the lowest competition, highest paying corners of the entire Salesforce ecosystem, and most people skip it because the name confuses them. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what it is and whether it is worth your time. The Vlocity confusion cleared up. Let's clear this up first. OmniStudio used to be a separate company called Vlocity. Salesforce announced buying Vlocity in February 2020. The deal closed in June of 2020. Over the next couple of years, Salesforce rebranded it into what is now called OmniStudio. So if you see job postings or old documentation that say Vlocity, that is the same thing as OmniStudio today. OmniStudio itself is a set of tools for building guided digital processes with very little code. FlexCards, which are smart info tiles. OmniScript is step-by-step wizard builder. Data mappers, which used to be called data raptors, that move and reshape data, and integration procedures which connect everything in the background. Companies use this for things like quote to cash, insurance claims, and guided selling. The new AI feature inside OmniStudio. Now, here is the part that surprised me. OmniStudio just got its own MCP server in the newest Salesforce release. We have talked about MCP servers before on this channel. It is the connection that lets AI agents talk to Salesforce tools directly. With this update, you can take plain text, a screenshot, or even a rough UX markup, and AI will turn into a working FlexCard template for you. That is not a small feature. It means a skill people assumed was getting old is actually getting real. Fresh investment from Salesforce right now. If you are trying to figure out whether a specialization like OmniStudio is the right move for you, I do offer one-on-one Salesforce career consultations. We look at your background and build a real plan together. The link is in the description. And before we continue, I also publish new Salesforce videos every Wednesday and Friday. If you do not want to miss the next video, hit subscribe right now. The certification path and why it is different. If you want to prove the skill, here is what makes the OmniStudio Developer certification different from most. There is no formal prerequisite. You do not need the administrator certification first, which is unusual for a developer level credential. Salesforce recommends around 1 year of general Salesforce development experience plus 3 to 6 months of hands-on OmniStudio time. You also do not need experience in Lightning Web Components, Apex, or Angular. That is officially stated. This certification does not require it. The exam is 60 scored questions plus 5 unscored ones. You get 105 minutes. Now, the passing score itself, you will see different numbers floating around online. So check the official Trailhead page for the current passing score before you book this exam. It costs $200 for your first attempt, $100 for a retake. And just like other Salesforce certs, you will need to complete a quick free maintenance module on Trailhead every year to keep it active. What this means for your career. So here is what this actually means for you. OmniStudio roles posted on job boards range from about $75K to $164K a year depending on experience and location. This is a smaller, more specialized market than something like Sales Cloud or Service Cloud. Fewer people know it well, so you are paying. That is exactly why it pays the way it does. Lower competition, real demand, and now real AI investment behind it too. If you already know Salesforce development, this might be the single fastest specialization to add real income to your resume. Let's bring this all together. OmniStudio is what Vlocity became after Salesforce bought it in 2020. It just got its own AI upgrade with an MCP server that builds FlexCards for you, and the certification path is genuinely different. No prerequisite, no LWC or Apex required, and standard yearly Trailhead maintenance maintenance. If you are looking for a specialization with less competition and real pay, this is worth a serious look. Hit subscribe, new Salesforce videos every Wednesday and Friday. Drop a comment. Had you heard of OmniStudio before this video, or did you only know it as Vlocity? And if you want to go deeper on this, my self-paced Salesforce courses are at my tutorial rack. The link is in the description. Thank you.